Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this year, the Hakka Affair started the Hakka Contribution Awards, and I think this is such a great thing for the Hakka community. 今年呢是第一次客委会所举办的客家贡献奖，对不对？我们教一下客家贡献奖。
客家貢獻獎。
客家貢獻獎 right? And within this award, there are also different types of awards. For instance, the Lifetime Achievement Award. 其实里面呢也有分其他比较细一点的奖项，比如说终身贡献奖。
終身貢獻獎。
終身貢獻獎 not easy. 貢獻獎 that's contribution award, by the way. And that's Lifetime Achievement Award. 終身貢獻獎。Then there's also the Excellence Award, 也就是傑出貢獻獎。
傑出貢獻獎。
傑出貢獻獎。哎，我现在越讲越标准了耶！
啊，
不错不错，我可以去报名参加了。No, just kidding.
哪一行？我終身嘅呀，係傑出嘅。
没有，我是終身搞笑獎，這樣子還比較有可能一點。對。Anyways, this year a lot of different people received the award, including novelists, poets, dancers, and even musicians. So I thought, Alice, maybe you can teach us how to say these terms in Hakka. 文學家。
文學家。
文學家 that's a novelist. A poet, 詩人。
詩人。
小心哦，这听起来就好像不太对，可是是詩人。詩人 okay. And finally, just a musician, 一個音樂工作者。
音樂工作者。
音樂
工作者。
工作者。音樂工作者。Okay, that's a musician of any kind. So there's a lot of new terms we're teaching today. Let's go ahead and review them right now. 終身貢獻獎 Lifetime Achievement Award.
終身貢獻獎。
終身貢獻獎 Okay. The Excellence Award 傑出貢獻獎。
傑出貢獻獎。
傑出貢獻獎。A novelist 文學家。
文學家。
A poet 詩人。
詩人。
And finally, a musician 音樂工作者。
音樂工作者。
There you go. Apparently, a lot of walks of life are represented, and that's a great thing. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.